everybody, welcome. Frost advisory tonight. That means it's the official end of the gardening season. So this time of year we run out of daylight. A lot going on, so we're scrambling last minute, and I have a few things to pick at. Got a few of these aromas in here. That one's no good. Got some peppers in here. Yeah, yep. Some jalapenos. Looks like there's two of them. So hard to see. Oh, that one's no good. That one's good. So anything soft or rotting, I'm just gonna throw it right in the soil and kind of let it compost there. Yeah, one pepper, small one there. Pick these little green ones too. See if they'll ripen inside. Ugh. Just quite a bit more in here than I anticipated. That one's just no good. Another bad one. That one's okay. There's a green one. That one's just gonna get little yellow ones in here. Yeah, you got a few in here. It's kind of hard to do at night. All these little green ones way down at the bottom. Alright. This looks like it's coming to an end here. There's a few in here. That one's soft. Okay, that was really strange. What the heck was that? Yeah, it was just me making sure you're paying attention. I gotta test you every now and then. Got the fire out here to keep me warm. There's been so much rain here lately, it's so wet. Hard to keep a fire going. Alright, so we picked a lot out of there. A little mix of assorted peppers, assorted tomato. And just double check We got one more. All right, that's what you call gardening at night. That's all the moon I got. That's all the fire I got left. All right, everybody. Thanks for stopping by. See you on the next video.